الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله أما بعد. This is the class 4. Here we are going to look at the other letters that need to be pronounced. So we stopped at the letter of Zay. No, yes, you start at the letter of Zay. So let's read from the beginning. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dal, Ra, and Zay. Now, the next one is Sin. Sin, Sin. Sin, sin. When you want to pronounce the letter of sin, you make your teeth to touch each other, placing one on the other, and just as if you want to laugh, you want to laugh. Sin, sin, sin. Then the other one is shin. When you look at this sin, the sin does not have any what? Any dots. But in the case of the shin, there are why we sound like it? There are three dots. There are three dots. So that is shin, shin, shin. That's how you are going to pronounce that one. Shin. Like the translation goes thus. The transliteration I mean, like this shin, shin, shin. So the next one is sword. 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 So the same way you pronounce sin is how you are going to pronounce sword. But the difference is that you are going to make sure you close your mouth with the pronunciation of sword. Unlike the pronunciation of sin, when you open your mouth as if you are laughing. But in the case of sword, you will pronounce it in a way by closing your mouth with the sword. So you now say sword, sword, sword. Now, followed by bird. You can see that the sword and the bird resemble themselves. So the only difference is the bird has a what? A dot. So how are you going to pronounce that one? You pronounce it as bird, bird, bird. Not the translation is not like D, not dot, not dot, but bird. So the translation is like DH, DH, bird, bird, bird. So when you pronounce it correctly, so you are going to place your tongue, you are going to make it attached forcefully with your upper palate. The upper palate, so we mean by that ajenu in Yoruba. So you make your tongue to place your tongue forcefully on your upper palate. So bird, 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 bird. So not only the upper palate plus including the what? Your teeth, your upper teeth. So bird, 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 bird. That is how to pronounce bird. Now let's take it again. Bird, sword, shin, sin, sin, shin, sword, bird. Now let's move to the exercise session. This is our exercise. Now, the first letter, sin, shin, bird. sin, dod, shin, sod, sod, sin, shin, sod, sin, dod, sin, sod, kha, ذل زي ثا با جيم ألف حاء دال تا خا زي غا تا غا. بارك الله فيكم. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.